Here's another complex. We have a Brothers.
I've never seen a Northern with a Bristol before.
Like this one? You can't see the compressor though. Oh, that one has a coupling, but none of these are running though.
It has a Bristol.
More Goodmans. Another Nordon. Yeah, I can't see the units here. Wait. Something turned on.
Yeah, it was the Northern with the Bristol.
Oh. Very quiet though. Anyways. Yeah, none of these are running. What are you doing? Yeah, I can't tell. Something's running over there. There's a Goodman and Northern there. But yeah, there's a bunch more units over there. Let's see. Here we have nice Train high efficiency XP100. That's where the units from. 99, I think. Let's see here. That one is running, but it's very quiet, just like another Northern. There's a Carrier and a Goodman there. Here we have a Carrier and a Goodman. I don't feel like getting the data on those. Here we have a Carrier. What the heck? It's like partially submerged. Interesting.
That one is like halfway into the ground.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Like halfway into the ground.
Somewhere. Wait, what the heck is
What
this?
is this?
Huh?
What the heck?
Oh, this is a Goodman. Goodman with a Carrier top? Oh, nice. Both of these have coupling receipts. I think I see this one has with the rotary. What is that? A Goodman?
No, it's a Heil.
Oh, okay. I suppose we can. Meanwhile, I'll film the units over there. Or do we just wait here? What do we do?
We'll just wait here, I guess.
No, I'll quickly film the ones over here. Oh wait, I think that one just turned off. None of these are running, but I could easily film the ones here. We have two smart comforts. Could maybe get the data off this one. And there's a train over there. But yeah, none of these are running. Bunch of units here. There's a small Goodman. Oh, nice. There's one of those Goodmans. There's CKLs. This Goodman is running, but it's very quiet. I was not sure what else there is around here. Oh wait, there it is. Wait, what is this unit? It's disconnected. I think that's like an old Carrier or something. There's another old Goodman there. And I think that's all of this area. So this Goodman is running. Which one is it? Oh yeah. It sounds nice. Coupling receipt. David just got it starting up. None of these are running though. A lot of these aren't running. But we'll just see like.
I think you already went down there.
Oh yeah. Now that one is running. It's quite noisy. It wasn't running before. Wait, there's a plane up there. Are we close to the executive airport? There's a squirrel right there. Hello, squirrel. Let's see what's over here. Nice, we have like a white Goodman. Have any of these been running? This one sounds like it has a reset. These two carriers are running. Maybe get the data off that one, but hey, what is this? Oh, that's like a pane or something. There's a brothers. Here's the pool right here. And yeah, there isn't anything else. Okay, here we have another pane, another brothers. Another one of these, like disconnected.
This one, I'm pretty sure it also has a Bristol. Kind of sounds like it.
Yeah, maybe.
I was going to you step on the fire ant or something?
No, I don't think so. Let's see here.
Here we go.
Smart comfort, grandeur. Yeah, there's another Goodman there that was being serviced or something. It's probably going to be replaced. No, I don't think so. Something just turned on over here. It was this carrier here. Yeah, it was this carrier. That one just started up. Also being serviced. And on that roof we have a good one. I don't think there's any units over here. Something.
That's like a carrier base model.
There's more Goodmans here. That one is quite noisy. We got a lot of nice. A lot of old units here. I think that Goodman is being replaced though. Wait, I hear something noisy. That carrier over there sounds nice. But somewhere over here there was a piece. Where they come up? There's a very squeaky unit here. I think both of these are running. Grand Air.
Goodman reciprocating.
Yeah. I thought that was the one that I heard.
No, it was over here, I think.
Maybe. I don't think it's running though.
I think it was a good one.
Anyways. I don't know if there are any units in there. Or maybe it's just the pool pump. More comforts. I think I already went here actually. This sounds nice. It's kind of rattling though. Yeah.
Big spider.
Here's something noisy. Could be a leaf blower.
Yeah, maybe. Here's an older Goodman.
There's a there are two of them. But yeah, I'll go to those buildings over. Oh wait, never mind, there's more units here. I think a lot of these Goodmans have Copeland recips in them. And there's an old train.
I want to see one of these little trains running.
I think it might be one over here.
There's a Grand Air.
Oh, that one sounds nice. But yeah, we're gonna go to the other area. We have a very small company that's running 2023, I think. Carry comfort. There's Goodman. I hear something noisy. Probably one of those Goodmans over there. But I don't really feel like going there.
There's a real
Man, Corsair, nice. Wait, does that have a Goodman top?
Which one?
The Corsair. Like, I kind of want to go to it.
That it does. How
Should I
about we
go
go
to
check
it?
it out?
Yeah. Oh, this here is a very interesting unit. What the heck? Looks like a train top. Of course it has a Bristol. It's from 2000 and it is a... I don't think it has been running. Can't tell what compressor that Goodman has. These ones have Copelands. Yeah, that's a very interesting unit there. There's a lot of interesting units here. There's some noisy ones as well. Wait. There's a really noisy one that just turned on. Something with the recip. Oh, sweet. It was the Goodman over here. Oh, this Goodman sounds amazing. Can't tell if it has a Copeland or a Bristol though. I think it has a Copeland. Should have waited for a startup. And there's other ones over there that are also running. But yeah, that Goodman back there just turned on. And I missed the startup. Whatever, we're continuing. I'm not gonna go to those because I think I'll just film the ones on the sidewalk. What is that? Oh, there's like a very old window unit there. Oh, what the heck? What do we have here? We have a bunch of units here. Oh, this is a 2024 unit. And then there's that one over there that's running. I don't feel like going to it. Sounds nice though. I think this is a different pool. Like, this place has a lot of pools. Oh, I hear something noisy. Nice. That one sounds amazing. What is that? Lennox? Maybe both of those are running. Oh, it sounds like a Lennox turd. Yeah. I don't feel like going up to it.
I think it's this one here.
See, there's another Goodman. You know, this place reminds me of that place with all those Lennoxes. There's another Brothers. Oh, there's two older ones. Let's see. Oh, that's a Duro Guard. Oh, he's quite noisy. Oh yeah, it is noisy. Oh, this sounds nice. There's another one there. Not sure what else they have here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna split the video here.
This Goodman wasn't running last time we came in.
They're quiet. I thought they were like servicing it though. Because the panel was open.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe someone just tried to steal the electrical component.
Or maybe they were working on it. Sounds nice.
Can't get across here,
There's like duckies. Some more units. Oh, that one is running. I think it has a recip, but it's very quiet. Goodman.
Maybe it has a bracelet.
Oh, yeah, and there's two trains here. Oh, it sounds like a recip. There's more Goodmans there. Yeah.
That one might have a reciprocator.
Oh, what is that?
I think that's like a green or something.
Wait, no, it's this Goodman that's running. Sounds like a Copeland recip.
Yeah, but it's kind of quiet.
Another train there. I want to see one of the trains running, but I haven't seen any of them running.
I haven't seen here.
Maybe they're old. At least there's some nice sounding Goodmans here. Here we have... Wait, this one is running. Yeah, it's going cold. I think the compressor is off.
Could just be delayed. There was somebody
You
who
think?
told me that this thing across.
Yeah, that one's not really working. Compressor's not running on that train.
One of these might be running.
None of these are running
None of these are running.
either. I think it's just a carrier there. Wait, no, that one is running. And the compressor is definitely on, I can hear it.
It's very quiet. What the heck?
What?
This one has a hole in it.
Where? Look. I don't see it. Look.
It shows me it has a hole in it. No, it didn't open it. Maybe that's just in the
Oh,
drive.
there. Gibson.
No, yeah.
Compressor, I think that's... Yeah, I don't feel like going to
Does it
this.
have a bracelet?
No, it has like a scroll or something. Yeah, I think so. But I think it was like a Millennium.
Those are the carriers.
Millennium's there. Some more units there, but they're not running. That window is open. None of these are running though. There's more trains here. I think. Yeah, none of these are running. There's a bunch of trains here. There's like 4 of them. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. There's a bunch more trains there, but they're not running.